Hey, what's up guys? In this video I would like to share you how we can change our YouTube video description in one click. For example, I need change this description in all my videos. So what we can do, you just go your Creative Studio and take your videos. Now click the select icon. Now you can select 30 videos in one click. Just go the edit and select the description. Now you can see four options here: insert the beginning, insert the end, and remove all and replace all. So if you want to put the description in beginning, you can select the first one. Here I am using replace all. I want to change all my description in all videos, so I select the replace all. Then the right box you can paste the description and update videos. Click the checkbox, update the videos. Now your 13 videos description is changed in one click. This is the method you can change all your YouTube video description in one click. Okay friends, I hope the video will helping you. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.